over here, Jackie Flowers. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. I did not come back on here last night after I got my nails done because I had a headache. My head was hurting so bad. Probably just from all the running around. It's a mosquito in here. Get on out of here. Go on now. Get. Like, what the heck? It was not about to get me today. But, what was I saying? I didn't come back on here to show y'all my nails because my head was hurting from all that running around when I was outside in the heat and all that jazziness. I'm on my way to work. Oh, let me show y'all the nails. These are the nails. I haven't had red. Hold on. Sorry. But like I was saying, I never had my nails red with this nail tech. But anyway, I'm preparing for this weekend because I'm going to a festival, R&B Festival is what they called it. And Trey Songz is going to be there. So I've seen him perform in person like years ago, like early 2000s. So I'm gonna be outside this summer, okay? I got this little Osmo. It's gonna be in my bag and we gonna be outside. And that's just that on that. So if you are new to my channel, hey, my name is Crystal. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, like, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you will be notified the next time I do drop another video, whether if it's a hair video, vlog, like whatever. Just turn on your post notifications, okay? I would love for you to join my family, my little bit of family that I do have here. So let's go. I'm on my way to work. My doctor is still out of the country. He won't be back until next Tuesday. Well, back to work next Tuesday. And we do have surgeries Tuesday. So today, for the most part, I'm going to get everything like paperwork wise together for our surgeries on I'm gonna wait to do that because the girl that we just hired is coming in Monday. I have to go to work Monday so I can like train her and show her like everything that needs to be done. So I'll wait to do that on Monday, get like paperwork stuff wise together. But yeah, like I'm ready for y'all this summer. It's just sad to see people on the street this early in the morning. It is 7:30. He has on a whole suit. That's sad. But nevertheless, today is Friday. I'm ready for my weekend because this weekend is over. It's over for this. It's over. I'm excited. And then my homegirl Bean came in town because she just came back from Colombia. Her birthday was Monday. She got her smile made by she went to see Dr. Montoya, I think that's how you call it, his name. But he's $1 Billion Smile. She's got her a whole new smile for her birthday. So I'm gonna go see her today when I get off work. And so I can see her new teeth. Because they look very nice in the pictures that she showed me. But I just gotta see them. I just have to see them myself. So yeah. So let's go to work. I am gonna stop to get me. I'm gonna stop by that 7-Eleven that I went to the other day. Sure am, because they had some drinks in there that I ain't never seen before. So I'm gonna go there, give me something to drink before I head. Oh, and when I went to my parents' house yesterday, got me a little snacky snack. All right, happy Friday. So I picked this one up. this energy drink. I should have grabbed like something to snack on, but I'll be good. But it's very nice in there. That's crazy. You know, only come in one way and out the other. But anyway, let's go to, oh, that was cute. The little doggy park over there in these apartments got little obstacle courses so the dogs can work out, I guess. That was pretty cool. Never seen that before. But yeah, I've never tried this one. Fruit punch, sparkling fruit punch. And my homegirl just texted me. She's we're gonna go, I guess, to lunch or something before we go to the event tomorrow. I don't know how I feel about that one. It's interesting to say the least. I need to get my car washed. I'll wait until I travel to come back to wash it, but it's looking crazy. But anyway, I'll be back. I'm gonna go to work, make some money so I can be outside this summer. Pooh.
My problem, that's just my problem. My problem, that's just my problem.
Girl, first of all, you don't even know how to swim, so jumping in is probably not the right thing. Don't do it. Why do hoes that don't do it? We do it because we used to it. So drink, motherfucker, drink.
I love the fuck out of all y'all.
Hey, show them your $1 billion smile. Show them $1 billion teeth. Period.
Yeah, girl.
Hey, one ain't hard than the other. You might gotta take your those teeth, right?
No.
Hey, yo. Good morning. I am super tired. Super tired, but it's cool. I did not get home until like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm sitting here charging my car up before I hit this road. We're supposed to be going to brunch like around 12. So right now it is pretty much 8:30. I'll be straight. I'll be good by the time I get to Charlotte. All right, so I just wanted to get on here to say good morning, hello, and to let you know what I have planned for today. So let the festivities begin. I'll be back. Hey y'all. Child, when I tell you the struggle was real to get charged up, packed up, dressed, latest wig, but I made it, child. I made it. I had to go to my parents' house so my mom can button up this dress. This company sent me this dress, and when I tried it on, I knew whenever I wore it that I would have to have help to button it up. So sure enough, I put it on, and luckily my parents live like 5 minutes away from me, so I rode past my parents' house, which was on my way out of town. So it was, hey Ma, can you help me? She buttoned me up and I was out. But I am on my way, almost in Charlotte. I have 37 more minutes to get to where I need to get to. We're gonna go grab some brunch by this new restaurant. It's called Kitchens and Cocktails. And then I gotta check into my room. And then we're gonna head to the festival. So should be pretty fun. The only thing, it is so much traffic out here. This traffic makes me nervous. Because I ain't used to all this damn traffic. Oh, and then I caught myself trying to use some new lashes. That didn't work out, and I had to tell myself, see, that's what you get for trying new stuff. Out of all days, why would I try and put some new lashes? Anyway, but nevertheless, face is beat, hair is laid, and we're just ready for this event. So let me focus on this road. I will be back once I get to the restaurant. I finally made it to the restaurant, so I'm going to put my lips on. And this restaurant is in the epicenter, so I didn't even know where to park. I had to call my homegirl, like, where am I supposed to park? So by the time I finish putting my lips on, her and her sister should be here. She said they had went to the mall. I guess they were trying to kill some time before I came into town. But I'm here now. And I was so tired when I was coming up here. I was yawning so much. But it's all right. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna have us a good day. I'm gonna bring my fan in there with me because I don't know what it's gonna be like inside that restaurant. All right, let's go get some brunch. Hey y'all, so I really didn't film much in there, but the food was actually pretty good.
Turn right and then turn left.
They were pretty pricey too. Oh, this is confusing here. I'm on my way to my hotel room, but
turn left.
I'm in the wrong lane. Because when Waze started up, it didn't. Ciao. These Charlotte streets stress me out. And I'm uptown Charlotte too, so it's just like, I ain't from no city. I ain't no city girl. It's gonna take me about 20 minutes to get to my room.
In 0.1 miles, turn right.
It's hot outside. What's that noise? Helicopter. Let me work my way to my room and I'll be back. Cause I got to pay attention.
Turn right.
So, sorry for the noise, the fan that's going on. This room is just gonna be enough for tonight. But I'm horrible when it comes to like picking hotel rooms. I should have went with my gut, but it is what it is. I'm trying to lay my lace because it kind of lifted a little bit while we were out eating, just because it was hot in the place. So I'm gonna touch up my makeup just a little bit. And I left my daggone tripod, like the bottom of this camera tripod, at home, so you know, I gotta make it do what it do. I didn't even bring my normal brushes or anything like that. Oh, did I bring my brush? touch my makeup up just a little bit. Freshen back up. And yeah, we're about to head to this event. I'll pick y'all back up when I did bring it. I don't remember. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and then I'll be back.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mind. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze.
Good morning. Hello. It's a new day. Same me, new day. Oh, I was exhausted after that concert yesterday. We were outside in that sun for a few hours before Trey Songz came out. And then when he did come out, I mean, he did pretty good. He took you back to those good old days. But it was a lot of walking to get to the event, but it was fun. I really enjoyed myself. So when I got back to my room, it was a wrap. It was a wrap. I know my homegirl said she was going out, but I'm seasoned, so I don't know. I was just drained and tired. I don't know. So I'm up here charging my car now at South Park. They're closed, obviously. Today is Sunday, like at, what time is it? 8:15. 8:15 in the morning, and I cannot get out that room fast enough. Because when I tell y'all, sometimes it's hit or miss when it is very hit or miss when I'm booking a hotel. Because next time I'm gonna stick with what I know. I was gonna book at the Aloft, but I was like, nah, I should have did that. But anyway, there's neither here nor there. I'm just ready to go home and be in my bed. I do have to meal prep. Like, I have a lot I have to do because I am working tomorrow. Unfortunately, I'm working tomorrow, but that's okay because I have to train our new girl that we just hired. I have to train on her. I cannot talk. I have to train her on the software and all that stuff that we have. But before I leave, I am going to stop and find me some Dunkin' Donuts because, yeah. And that hotel was like, in the morning when you leave, breakfast is included and it's grab and go. Child, the grab and go was just like muffins and like Nutri-Grain bars or something like that. No, thank you. So I'm gonna find some Dunkin'. Make sure y'all download a Dunkin's app because there's points in here that you can use and redeem. Let me see the nearest Dunkin'. Excuse me. It's too. Excuse me. And I knew my allergy was going to stop bothering me as soon. It's only 7 minutes away, so. All right, so I did not get Dunkin' Donuts. I'm about to get some Jack in the Box because we don't have this in where I'm from, so. Jack in the Box it is. Hello? Maybe I will be hitting Jack in the Box. Ay, ay, ay. Let me see something here. Maybe they're not open. It says they're open 24 hours, but child, I guess they're not open. All right. I'm about to get so frustrated. So we're just gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts. Okay. And I feel like I drove all out the way just to get here. I'll be back. Nothing is more irritating when I'm using the GPS and it does not pick up exactly where you are, so you're just driving and it's stuck.
In 1 mile, turn right.
And then you just have to do a bunch of U-turns in this. I'm irritated, to say the least. But I'm looking at some beautiful scenery out here. I knew I should have just stuck with daggone Dunkin' Donuts. But how y'all gonna have a sign up saying y'all open 24 hours and ain't nobody in there? It is 9:30. Anyway, nevertheless, being out here and just looking at like how beautiful this city is, it makes you want to grind
In a quarter
hard,
of a mile,
you know?
turn right.
It gives you inspiration, shall I say, because you can turn anything into reality. You just got to work hard for it. So back on the grind I go. And I passed this church earlier.
Turn right.
Child, after I get this Dunkin' Donuts, I ain't looking for nothing else. I'm looking for that highway so I can get home. Okay. Finally got my Dunkin'. I'm about to hit this road. What an adventure. What an adventure this morning. Oh my gracious. All right. I'm gonna put my sandwich together. Chewing like that. And I got some napkins for my daggone cloth, since I always don't have any napkins for in here. Get situated. Cause you know what a croissant, you gonna make a mess. What a croissant. A croissant. A croissant gonna be messy. And then once I get to a good place, like on the road, I'm gonna call my mom to let her know that I'm actually coming home. All right. Peace up. A-Town down.
Oh,
Hello.
how you doing?
I'm good. What you doing?
Get myself done.
You fed them dogs.
Yep.
Can I pet that dog?
How was the show?
It was good.
Good.
Ran up and gave him a hug, and then by the time his security guard seen, like, he was like, it's all right, too late now, she here, I got her, because they was trying to pull her off of him. But I seen when he pulled up.
Who you pull up in?
He had like a entourage, so he had like one of the Mercedes vans, Cadillac Escalade, and I don't know, some other car, but they were all black. He was sitting out there for a good little minute though. So, I just made a pit stop to Ross, because I seen somebody posted these on Instagram a few days ago, and my Ross did not have them, so I got these cute little cherries for decoration. It's gonna be so cute. Now I'm about to, like, for real, be on my way home. This was just like a stop off the way, you know, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. All right, now we're all set, back to home. And there's a Target over here too, but I am not about to stop to go to that Target. I just want to go home. I want to go home.
Now you talk so much, it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.